In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see visitors on Framer website. We'll start inside your Framer account. Open Framer in your browser and head to your projects. Find the site you want to check and open it. You'll land on the editor. At the top left, you'll see a label that says Canvas. Click that label or its drop down to reveal the project options, and then switch into the Analytics view. Once Analytics opens, you'll see an overview of your site's traffic. Before diving into the charts, set the time window so the numbers reflect what you care about. Use the date controls to pick how many days you want to analyze, then refine it by choosing the exact start and end dates. This helps you compare a launch week, a campaign period, or any custom window. Now, let's read the key cards. Live visitors shows how many people are currently browsing your site. It updates in real time, so it's great during launches to see activity as it happens. Unique visitors counts distinct people in your selected window, filtering out repeat visits from the same person. This helps you gauge true reach. Total page views tells you how many pages were loaded overall. If page views rise faster than unique visitors, it usually means users are exploring more of your site. Bounce rate shows the percentage of sessions where someone left after viewing only one page. Lower is generally better. Try clearer navigation or stronger calls to action if this number is high. Average session measures how long a typical visit lasts. Longer sessions often indicate engaging content or effective internal linking. Use these metrics together for context. For example, a spike in live visitors paired with steady unique visitors might mean returning traffic from a newsletter. Adjust your date range to confirm patterns, and remember that small sites can show big swings day to day. That's it. You now know exactly where to find and interpret your Framer traffic. Pause the video if you need to revisit any section, and you'll be confident checking visitors whenever you need.